Today we're exploring the beauty Mexico City has to offer by taking a walk down Avenida Paseo de la Reforma and visiting Parque Mexico. From 8 to 2 p.m. every Sunday, one of the biggest streets, Avenida Paseo de la Reforma, is shut down for bikers, bladers, and scooters. The city is trying to encourage people to get outside and enjoy the city. For people to enjoy the day, there are even free bike rentals, which are available at the intersection of De la Reforma and Rio Rin. We're out walking and exploring today. We went by the street and it was really interesting to see how many people actually get out and bike and scooter and rollerblade too. We're gonna go ahead and continue to walk around and explore today. Today's just kind of our personal walking tour. This street is truly a beautiful part of Mexico City, filled with parks, gardens, sculptures, decorative benches, and plenty of cute dogs. We started our walk from the Hidalgo metro station, walking towards El Cabalito. Here we found a Mexico sign and a large abstract horse designed by sculptor Sebastian. From there, we took a detour down De la República to visit the Plaza de la República and the Monument of the Revolution. This is an absolutely beautiful monument and it's massive, very deceptive until you're up close and underneath it. There is also a museum here and you can take an elevator to the top of the monument, but we chose not to do this. On our way back over to Avenida Reforma, we took a stop on Madrid Street for some street food. Alright, we stopped for some tortas. Well, actually, I'm not that hungry, so Evelyn's gonna give it a try, and she'll tell you about the rest.
Hi there! You may have not seen me in a while. I'm Evelyn at Culture, so make sure to check me out. We are both going to have a lot of really fun videos from our trip to Mexico, and I'm going to have a lot of food tasting videos, and I'm about to, well, have another try of these tortas de pollo, which is a big sandwich. You cut 2 huge halves. So I got the chicken, and I'm going to have another taste for you because I already had one. It's so good.
So you can check out more of that on her channel, and once that video is up, I'll link it in the description box below. Next, we continue leisurely down the Reforma, enjoying the Cuauhtémoc Monument, Glorieta de la Palma, the Angel of Independence, and the Fountain of Diana. By this point, my back was really hurting, but Evelyn convinced me to check out Parque Mexico, and I'm so glad that she did. So we finished up at Avenida de la Reforma, hopefully Reforma, and we're now at basically Mexico Park, and so it would be Parque Mexico, which is absolutely stunning. You'll see behind me, there's some gorgeous water fountains, and I'm going to show you the rest of the park because it's absolutely beautiful here. I love it so far. This park is beautiful, with foliage so dense you almost forget you're in a city, except for how many people are out enjoying the day. We explored, relaxed, and tried new foods. So we just got some street corn. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. It's very interesting. It's corn with cheese, mayonnaise, and a squirt of lime. So I'm really interested to try it. I'm gonna hand the camera over to Evelyn. She's gonna help me out.
I'm assuming you're gonna...
It was very interesting. You know, mayonnaise with corn, I'm not so sure about it, but I kind of like the lime. Really adds a unique flavor. Okay, you know what? I dig the mayonnaise. I just got a little bit more of it, and the mayonnaise with the lime really is good. I like it. I also tried these amazing desserts. That's over on Evelyn's channel. They were really delicious. I stopped to sketch some puppies, and Evelyn went off to explore more, but we reconnected to grab some smoothies to finish off our day. Overall, I'm completely amazed by how beautiful Mexico City is, and what a great job they've done to have parks and gardens that people actually use and enjoy. I highly recommend spending a Sunday just walking around the city. There really is so much to see. The best part of all of this is that it was free, except for the street food. I hope you enjoyed this video on Mexico City. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe and follow along. Next video is going to be on the pyramids that are located right outside of Mexico City. Please let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite part of Mexico City that you have explored or like to explore. And until next time, remember to create love and travel on. Bye!